In this video, I'll show you how to get your Wisetag on the Wise app so people can pay you easily. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon or name in the top corner. In the menu, look for Account, Profile, or anything that mentions Wisetag /@username/QR depending on your app version. Next, find the section for Wisetag or your Wise handle. If you haven't set one yet, Wise will ask you to create your Wisetag. Usually it starts with @ like at your name. Pick something simple that's easy to share, then confirm it. If a name is taken, try another variation until it's accepted. Once your Wisetag is created, it becomes your simple payment link or handle. You'll normally see a QR code and sharing options on the same screen. From there, you can copy your Wisetag, share it in chat or email, or let people scan your QR so they can send you money without using long account numbers. Whenever someone pays you using your Wisetag or QR, the money will go straight into your Wise balance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.